Begin by typing in lunchapplication.com in your search bar. You will see lunchapplication.com as one of the top websites in the search results. Click the link. If you are having any trouble finding the lunch application website, please visit the martinschools.org website and select the food service icon in the center of the page. This will take you to the food service page where you will see a flyer for meal applications. Select the flyer and it will take you to the lunchapplication.com website. Lunchapplication.com is an easy, secure, and convenient way to apply for free or reduced price meals. Please note that this is the only way to apply for free and reduced meals. We are currently not accepting paper applications. Please note that you may switch the language of the text from English to Spanish on the top of the screen. If you select Menu on the top right, a link will appear that says Help. If you need any assistance or have a question about sections of the application, such as whether your child needs an application if they are in Head Start, the Help link may provide some immediate resources. Once you are ready to start applying, select Apply Now. You will be prompted to select your state. Select Florida. For the school district, select Martin County Schools. The next page will provide you with some information before you begin. If you received a letter from the school district saying that your children were automatically approved or directly certified for free meals for the current school year, then you do not need to submit an application. We need only one application for all of the children in your household that attend a school in the Martin County School District. Eligibility for free or reduced price school meal benefits is based on any one of these three things: your total household income and size in the month the application is filled out, or the month before, or your child's individual status as foster, homeless, migrant, or runaway, or participation in an assistance program by any member of your household. Your U.S. citizenship or immigration status does not affect your eligibility for free and reduced price benefits. If you have any questions at any point during the application, click the question mark icon to get help with the current section. If you would like to view your district's letter to households, please click here. As you can see, there's a section that says if you would like to apply using the paper application, please contact Crystal Hernandez. We are currently not taking paper applications, but if you need additional assistance, please contact Crystal Hernandez at 772-223-2655. Lastly, we compiled a list of the information you might need to complete the application. Click the Check It Out link. If you have this information handy, it will make the application process fast and easy. If you participate in an assistance program, you will need to know your case number, not your card or account number. It should also be 10 digits long and start with the number 1. If you do not participate in an assistance program, you will need to report your total household income. In that case, if anyone in your household has a job, you may need to reference the earning statements or pay stubs to report your gross income, which is different from the amount you actually receive in your paycheck. If anyone receives Social Security or retirement benefits, you may need to gather the benefit statements to report the amount and frequency of the payments. You may also need to reference other financial documents for additional sources of income. Still not sure if you have everything you need? Don't worry. The income section of the application contains detailed instructions and explanations about the sources of income you must include, and you can gather additional information then. Once you are ready, select Continue on the bottom of the page. On this page, you will fill out your information as the applicant. When filling out this information, you are certifying or promising that all information on this application is true and that all income is reported. You understand that this information is given in connection with the receipt of federal funds and that school officials may verify or check the information. You are aware that if you purposefully give false information, your children may lose meal benefits. Please enter the name of the adult household member completing the application. That would be you, today's date, and check the box that states, "I have read and I abide by the rules and regulations stated in the terms of use and privacy policy." Please read those sections before you proceed. Once you have, select the box that states, "I'm not a robot," and select Continue. If you are missing any information, the Continue section will be grayed out. List the names of the students in your household that attend a school in Martin County Schools and are applying for school meal benefits. Note, please do not include those students that are attending private schools. In the student section, input your child's first name, last name, date of birth, the school they are attending, their grade, and student ID number. The student ID number should start with 4300. If your child does not have their student ID number, please contact the Food and Nutrition Services Department at 772-223-2655 to obtain it. If you have any more children to include, select Add Another Student. Once you are done adding your children, select Continue. If anyone in your household participates in one of the nutrition assistance programs below, then your child or children are eligible for free school meals. A household is defined as a group of people, related or unrelated, that usually live together and share income and expenses. This includes grandparents or other extended family members that are living with you. It also includes people that are not currently living with you but are only away on a temporary basis, like kids that are away at college. It includes people regardless of age or whether they earn or receive income. If you need more detailed information, see the Who Should I Include in My Household question in the help link under Menu on the top right of this page. If anyone in your household, including you, currently participates in one of the following programs, please select it below. If not, press Continue. Let's proceed as if you do not participate in any of the programs and select none of the above. Does your child live with you under a formal court-ordered foster care arrangement? We want to know if this is a foster child. If this is your biological child, please select No. If they are a foster child, please contact the Food and Nutrition Services Department at 772-223-2655 to verify. We may need additional documentation. We will proceed with No in this video. Your child can also qualify for free meals if any of these apply. Does your child receive assistance under the McKinney-Vento Homeless Assistance Act? If not, but your household lacks a permanent address or stays together in a shelter, hotel, or other temporary housing arrangement, contact Martin County Schools for help. Does your child participate in the migrant education program? If not, but you moved your household into a different school district within the last 3 years to gain or look for temporary or seasonal work in agriculture or fishing, contact Martin County Schools for help. Does your child participate in a program under the Runaway and Homeless Youth Act? If not, but they choose to leave their prior family or household, contact Martin County Schools for help. For this video, I am going to select No for all 3 sections. Select Continue. In this section, we will need more information about your household and income in order to determine if you are eligible for benefits. Let's talk about the other kids in the house, and then we'll move on to the adults. Other than your child, are there any other children in your household? Don't forget to include students that are in grade 12 or below and attend school in a school district other than Martin County Schools, children that attend daycare or preschool or are not of school age, including infants, anyone 18 years of age or younger living in your household that does not currently attend school. If you have any children that meet this criteria, select Add Another Child. If not, select No Other Children. The next few questions are about your child's income. Some common sources of income for children are a full-time or part-time job, Social Security benefits if the child is disabled or is the beneficiary of another person's Social Security benefits, money regularly received from extended family or friends outside the household, or money from a pension, annuity, or trust. Do not include infrequent earnings such as income from occasional babysitting or mowing lawns. Select Continue to proceed. Okay, now let's talk about the adults in your household. Not including yourself, what other adults live in the household? Remember, for the purposes of applying for school meal benefits, a household is defined as a group of people, related or unrelated, that usually live together and share income and expenses. Don't forget about grandparents or other extended family members that are living with you. Also include people that are not currently living with you, but are only away on a temporary basis, like kids that are away at college, or members of your family that are in the military and are deployed. Include people regardless of age or whether they earn or receive income. For this video, I am going to select Add Another Adult. I'm going to add my husband and his father who lives with us. Once you are done adding additional adults, select Continue. On this page, you are going to give us more information about you. On questions about income, all amounts should be your current gross income. Gross income means all money earned or received before deductions such as income taxes, Social Security taxes, and insurance premiums. You should not report net income, which is the amount of money received in a paycheck. Question 1. Are you in the military? I've selected no. Question 2. Do you have earnings from work including salary, wages, tips, commissions, cash bonuses, or net income from self-employment? Since I do work and earn an income, I'm going to select yes. Question 3. Do you have income from public assistance including supplemental security income or cash assistance or housing subsidies from state or local government? I'm going to select no. Question 4. Do you have income from alimony or child support? I'm going to select no. Question 5. Do you have income from unemployment benefits, veterans benefits, workers' compensation, strike benefits, or Social Security disability insurance? I'm going to select no. Question 6. Do you have retirement income from Social Security, including survivor benefits, black lung benefits, and railroad retirement or pensions? I'm going to select no. Question 7. Do you have other sources of income, including regular cash payments from outside the household, rental income, earned interest, investment income and annuities, or any other source of income available to pay for children's school meals? I'm going to select no. Please note, this is just an example. Please answer questions according to your income and benefits. Select Continue once you are done. If you selected yes to question 2 regarding earnings from work, you will see this page. Do you have income from any of the following sources? Salary and wages. Yes. If you answer yes, you will be prompted to provide the amount you earn and the frequency of your earnings. Tips? No, I do not receive tips. Commission? No, I do not receive commission. Bonus? No, I do not receive a bonus. Net income from self-employment? No, I am not self-employed. Select Continue once you have answered all of the questions. You will answer the same questions for each adult listed in the household in this section. In this case, the questions will pertain to my husband, John. Once you have completed entering all information for each adult, select Continue. Please provide the last 4 digits of the Social Security number for the person that signed at the beginning of the page. If that person does not have a Social Security number, please check the box labeled No SSN. Note: the United States citizenship or immigration status is not a condition of eligibility for free and reduced price benefits. The non-cash benefits received through the school meal programs are not subject to public charge consideration. In other words, you will not be deported, denied entry to the country, or denied permanent status because you apply for or receive school meal benefits. Once you are done, select Continue. Please enter your contact information so that we can reach you in case there are any issues with your application. Some of this information is optional, but we strongly encourage you to provide it. Select Continue when you are done entering your information. This is an optional question for information we collect about students that attend school in Martin County schools. We are required to ask for information about the race and ethnicity of the students that are applying for the program. This information is important and helps to make sure we are fully serving our community. Responding to this section is optional and does not affect your children's eligibility for free or reduced price meals. Registration is optional. What are some of the benefits of registering? View your application status at any time once it has been submitted. Notification will be sent via email or text once application has been processed. Access and reprint email a copy of your notification letter at any time. Your information is confidential. We do not sell your information to anyone. I recommend that you register, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to select No Thanks. Continue. Almost done. Please read and acknowledge the following legal statements. Once you are done, select Continue. Here is a summary of the information you provided in the application. We encourage you to save or print the screen for your records. If everything looks good, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. I promise that all information on this application is true and that all income is reported. I understand that the school will get federal funds based on the information I give. I understand that school officials may verify, check the information. I understand if I purposefully give false information, my children may lose meal benefits and I may be prosecuted. I understand the information provided on this application may be used to verify my household's eligibility for benefits in the National School Lunch Program with Medicaid agencies as part of the state's participation in the Medicaid verification study. To sign the application, please enter your name in the signature field and click the Intent checkbox below. Once you are done, you can select Submit. You have now completed your meal application. The Food and Nutrition Services Department can take up to a week to process your application. If you have not heard anything after a week, please contact the Food and Nutrition Services Department at 772-223-2655 extension 58103. Thank you.